YouTube. My name is Kurama Gamer and today I'm with Kurama channel.
Hello guys.
Okay, today I want to unboxing a fidget spinner. I got part 1 and this is Kurama. Check. Kurama 1 and this 2. This is wait, I close. Okay, you can see the lights. Okay, good. Nice, right? In the part 1 in the fidget spinner Batman, you comment it, you love it and you say nice. And today in that day I buy the new fidget spinner. It cost 25 RM. Okay, like same as my fidget spinner Batman. He say work, class and home. And today I want to unboxing. And boom, okay. And boom, okay. I have unboxing it and let's try it out. Wow, it's amazing. Okay, this fidget spinner is using a speed bearing like this. Speed bearing, and I don't know what is this. Okay, and this thing can open, but I don't want to open. It costs 3 speed bearing. Okay, and now this is tiny speed bearing, tiny. So this is cost 10 RM, 10 ringgit. Okay. This is my Kurama channel bought 2 fidget spinner.
It's mine.
I just call like hand spinner lah. This is Kurama hand spinner. That is my box. Let's try. Let's fight. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Winner! Woo! 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Oh shit.
1, yeah, wait. 1, 2, 3. My hand is disturbed. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Done. Wait. Okay. Just like this. Wait, huh? Okay, guys, let's try it out. Peace out. Okay. What you want? 1, 2, 3.
Let's start it.
Low. And I want to tell you that I have a PS4. If you want to watch me play Call of Duty, Naruto Shippuden, Storm 4, GTA 5, that's my game. I will show you. If you want to me play the PS4, you comment down below. I will play GTA 5 or Naruto Shippuden or FIFA. Yeah, I got FIFA 2006. Okay, I win.
No.
Woo!
My hands. 1, 2, 3. Oh no.
Seems like I don't want to. Seems like I not win.
No.
Yeah, seems that I'm gonna lose.
I lose. I lose.
I win this loud, 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 loud. 1, 2, 3. Loud, 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 loud. I use one hand to. Woo! Oh my god. Okay, I will show you my game in PS4. Okay. So, yeah. Okay, okay. This is my controller, and I got GTA 5, Pac-Man. I just play demos, and Lego The Hobbit demo. Call of Duty Black Retribution, Naruto Shippuden Ultimate Ninja Storm 4, Marvel superheroes. This is not demo. This is not demo, and this demos. DC Universe is online game, and Guns Up I just download, and Tom 4 is my CD, and Call of Duty is my CD, and Call of Duty Jack Assault, that is not my CD game, just I download it. Okay, that's it. This is mine, and okay, and that is the end. I hope you like it and enjoy it. So please subscribe my channel and Kurama channel. Give can we hit my hit? I want to 3 like, because it is 3 fidget spinner. And okay, bye. My name is Kona Gaming, and take care, and good afternoon, and bye bye. Assalamualaikum.